Hi, I'm P&C Joe, and I delve into the ins and outs of commercial insurance. As a small business owner, you might worry about what happens if an unexpected event forces you to close temporarily. Business income and extra expense coverage can help, but understanding what it covers and how it works can be tricky. Navigating these complexities is crucial to ensure your business stays afloat in challenging times. Keep watching, because in this video we will discuss these important topics. What is business income and extra expense insurance? What does loss of business income cover? What is extra expense coverage? How does civil authority coverage work? What is extended business income coverage? Understanding the period of restoration. What is a co-insurance clause? Understanding contingent business interruption, and a bonus topic at the end. Let's go through these points one at a time. Business income and extra expense insurance is a type of coverage that helps businesses recover financially after a disaster or unexpected event, like a fire or flood, that causes them to temporarily close. This insurance may help cover lost income and extra costs incurred to keep the business running, subject to the terms, conditions, and exclusions of the policy. Loss of business income may cover the money a business would have made if the disaster hadn't happened, subject to policy terms. Imagine a bakery that usually sells $500 worth of goods daily. If a fire damages the bakery and it must close for repairs, this coverage may help replace the $500 income lost each day until it reopens, depending on the policy specifics. Extra expense coverage may help pay for additional costs a business might face to keep operations going after a disaster. For example, if the same bakery rents a temporary kitchen to continue baking while its premises are being repaired, this coverage can help pay for the rent of the temporary space, subject to the policy terms and conditions. Civil authority coverage applies when a government order prevents access to your business due to a covered event, like a nearby fire. If authorities block the street where your bakery is located, preventing customers from reaching you, this coverage may help replace lost income and extra expenses during that period, depending on the policy terms. Extended business income coverage may continue to provide financial support even after your business reopens, helping businesses regain their regular income levels. If it takes your bakery a few weeks to attract the same number of customers as before, this coverage may help support you until sales return to normal, subject to the policy terms and conditions. The period of restoration is the time it takes to repair or replace the damaged property and resume normal operations. If the bakery takes 3 months to fix after a fire, the insurance may cover lost income and extra expenses for that period, subject to the policy terms. This time frame can be extended if repairs take longer than expected, depending on the policy. A co-insurance clause requires a business to insure a certain percentage of its total value. If the bakery's value is $100,000 and co-insurance is 80%, the owner must insure at least $80,000. If not, they may face penalties and receive less money from a claim, as per the policy terms. Contingent business interruption may cover losses if a supplier or customer faces a disaster. If a flour supplier's warehouse burns down, delaying deliveries to the bakery, this coverage may help replace the income lost due to the interruption in the supply chain, subject to the policy terms. This coverage may address business interruptions due to diseases, like during a pandemic. If the bakery must close because of a government-mandated shutdown, this insurance may help cover lost income and extra expenses during that time, depending on the specific terms and conditions of the policy. Business income loss is calculated by looking at past financial records to determine the average income. If the bakery made $15,000 monthly before the fire, that amount is used to calculate the claim for each month it's closed. Documentation like sales reports and financial statements are required to support the claim, subject to the policy terms. I hope this deep dive into business income and extra expense insurance has equipped you with a better understanding of how these coverages can safeguard your business in the face of unforeseen challenges. By navigating these intricacies, you empower yourself to make informed decisions that help your business stay resilient and thrive, even during tough times. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comments below.